Hello, good morning my dear student. Today we are going for the workbooks grammar solution revision work. Here in this English grammar solution book on page number 1 singular and plural, here we have to completely fill up this all the exercise because now we have to only revise this topic again. So starting with the first one, make this sentence plural. So whatever the sentence are given in a singular form, we have to make it this sentence in a plural. So first question is mind is that what is singular? So the words are given in the singular form, the subject we have to use and the verb we have to use that can be changed in a plural. Okay, so the whatever the subject are given here, I, you, he, she, it, this subject has been changed when we talking about any plural thing. For example, I is converted into we, you is converted into you, he, she, it are converted into a they. We are using he for a boy, she using for a girl, and it using for a different types of things, animals and birds. Okay, so here verbs are also be changed here. We using a singular form of verb, that is am, is, this, that, and when talking about plural, that is are, these and those. So the here example, some examples are given. She is a doctor, so she for it is a subject, she is a subject, and it is a talking about girl, and at a plural that is a they. So they are, is a singular and the plural of is that is are, so they are doctor. So doctor is a singular form and we have to use as for make it plural. So simple add as here, so this sentence is making as a plural. So in this way you have to fill up this all these given blanks here on the page number 3. Now on page number 2, make this sentence as singular. So the sentences are given in a plural form, we have to make the sentence and convert it into a singular. Okay, so the books are on the desk. Okay, so books, so simple we have to remove s from here, so this sentence are converted into a singular form. Okay, so the book are is a plural form, so we have to move convert into a is for make it singular. So the book is on the desk. Okay, so simple as remove to make it singular. So in this way you have to fill up all this form exercise. Okay, now unit number 2, common noun and proper noun. The first question arises in mind, what is common noun and what is proper noun? If we talking about any specific person and specific thing, then it is a proper noun. But if we talking about any but if we talking about any person, any place, any boy, any girl, any dog, day, month, city. Okay, in this way if we pronounce anything, that is a common noun which is common for all the person. But if we talking about any specific person, then that is a proper noun. Okay, so the name which are using for all the person, that is a common noun, and the name which are using for any specific person, that is a proper noun. Okay, so you have to choose the proper common noun and proper noun. Okay, so this is, you can see here group number 1, boy, girl, dog, day, month, city. These are used for all the persons. But when we talking about any specific person like Raju, so Raju is a proper noun. But if we talking about any specific girl, that is Rani, so Rani is a proper noun. But if we talking about any animal like Moti, so Moti is a proper, but dog, that is dog is a common and Moti is a proper noun. If we talking about any day, there is so many, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So in this way Sunday, the name is here, so we can say that the Sunday is a proper noun. Okay, so in this way you have to fill up this all the exercise here. Okay, now next one here you can see there is some words are given, you have to make this in a capital letter. Okay, now next one, choosing the right form of verb. So fill in the blanks in the right form of verb. Some verbs are given in these boxes, 2 verbs are given here. We have to choose the correct verbs and fill up in this blanks. Okay, so started with the first one, Ram blank his teeth every morning. So in the first blank we have to use brushes. Why we are using here brushes? Because they are talking about Ram, and Ram is a third person, and for third person it is he, she, it. We are using s and es after a verb. So a verb is a word, that is a brush. Okay, so brush we are using here es. So now Ram brushes his teeth every morning. Okay, so in this way you have to fill up all these remaining blanks. Okay, we have to only concentrate on a first person, second person and third person, and it is singular or plural. Okay, so it is changed with the changing with the persons. Okay, and you also example number 2, do and does correctly in the following words. Okay, after this example number 2, unit number 4 here, can and cannot. We are using here can and cannot at a proper place. Okay, so boys can, the person who do any type of work, at that place we have to use can, and the person who did not do any type of work, at that place we have to use can't. Okay, so जो काम हम कर सकते हैं वहाँ पे हम can का यूज करेंगे, और जो काम हम नहीं कर सकते वहाँ पे हम can't का यूज करेंगे. For example, boys can play cricket. Boys easily play cricket, so we can use here can. Okay, so but the dogs cannot play cricket. यहाँ पे dog डॉग्स है वो क्रिकेट नहीं खेल सकते, तो यहाँ पे हम कैंट का यूज करते हैं. इन दिस वे यू हैव टू फिल अप ऑल दिस एक्सरसाइज हियर. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, मेक द सेंटेंसेस. So before making sentences you must be aware about subject and predicate. What is subject and what is predicate? Subject is the name of the person, name of the things, name of the place. Okay, so whatever the name of person, place, things, birds, animals, whatever the name are here, that all are using as a subject, and the remaining portion of the sentence that we use as a predicate. Okay, so in this way you have to form all the subject and predicate. Okay, so now we are going to ending here. In next session we will meet and talking about some other topic regarding this grammar solution. Till then, bye bye, take care.